People were always excited by dreams of the future, the space age, and robots. Brilliant minds like Tesla and Edison helped turn fiction into reality. And today, we present the DIY Robotics Kit by Geeek Club. It lets anyone become an inventor and create something new and unique with their own hands. 7 robots in this set, most of them consisting of printed circuit board components as big as a single business card. With light sensors and vibro motors, these robots will intelligently move toward any light source, giving you endless amusement and an amazing conversation starter. Geek Club robots are amazingly fun to build, helping you learn these skills without it feeling like learning. Structural engineering and artistic design of printed circuit boards, hardware engineering, the kind of components and joints that create robotic movement. Electrical engineering, soldering skills like SMD, SMT and through holes. Vibrational, resonance, and oscillation engineering working with vibromotors.
I think these robots are unique in some way because it combines lots of things together. So I think this is like a very fun way to discover electronics and seeing a tiny flat PCB card becoming like a 3D robot and then starting blinking and then starting reacting to the light is very fun.
The Voodoo Robot set is perfect for combining every aspect of STEAM learning, science, technology, engineering, art, and rudimentary math. The designs were inspired by North and South American indigenous cultures, as well as Scandinavian, African, and Asian amulets and artwork. This vibrant set allows you to mix and match different pieces to invent your own creations.
So with Troublemaker, we want to set up a lab to help everyone coming in Shenzhen who is willing to find somewhere to develop their prototypes.
I like people that concentrate and finish the product and make it beautiful. And that's what I like about this.
Et j'ai fait un robot et je suis très fière de moi. Et le robot, il peut clignoter avec des lumières et il peut aussi bouger par lui-même.
When Nico showed me this design for the first time, my immediate reaction was that it's just a brilliant way to introduce PCB, also possibilities of electronics, like basic electronics, to anyone who's never taken an electronic device apart. Then the fact that it runs purely on a battery without needing any software design is quite brilliant. By looking at it, it's pure creativity in a form that I've not seen very often. It is almost like you're turning a product inside out and you're taking what's usually inside and bringing it to the outside and then making exotic shapes with it. I really think it's very original.
Our bots can become educational materials for universities, schools and workshops, and will inspire more engineers and designers to create 3D objects by using circuit boards.
By supporting this campaign, it can help to develop the next generation of tiny robots, having more fun, tiny, crazy stuff running around, and I'm sure you will like it,